You can create a flyer as beautiful as this using just your text prompt. All you need to do is to go to your text to image site, type in a prompt describing the kind of flyer you want to create, and boom, it creates the flyer for you. Now, the easy way to create or to model a flyer, when you see a flyer and you want to model that flyer, the easy way to model it is to get the text prompt that was used in creating that flyer. Once you get the text prompt that was used in creating that flyer, you can as well use that text prompt to model exactly that flyer just the way it is, or if not, it might not be exactly the way it is, it might be similar to it, but at least just to get a flyer as beautiful as the one that you are modeling. Now, I'm not the one that created this flyer. I'm not the one that created this flyer. I saw this flyer on Facebook and I love it and I want to model it. Now watch me model this flyer using my text to image site without going to any design app to design it, just using my text to image app. So this is what I'm going to do. This is the flyer I got from Facebook and I want to model this flyer. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to my Chrome. Now, the site I'm going to use is ImageFX. It's already here. I've been using it before. So ImageFX, just go to your Chrome, type ImageFX. It will bring out this first part for you. Once it brings it out, it's going to bring out this for you. So once it brings it out, you click on it. So let me continue. So I go to my ImageFX. Once my ImageFX is opened, I click on try wix. This try wix right here, I click on it. Try wix. Now they didn't ask me to sign up because I've already signed up before. So if this is your first time using ImageFX, you might be asked to sign up. So once you click try wix, you come here and click enter tool. So what I want to do is that I want to bring in the flyer that I want to model. That's what I want to bring in. So when I bring it in, this app will help me to write out the text prompt that was used to create that flyer. So I can copy that text prompt and use it to create my own flyer without stress. So I go to add. I hope you saw where I clicked. I click on, you go to this place, add image, then you click this icon right here, then it should take you to your directory where you can add image from. So I'm adding image from here, from my gallery. So I go to my gallery, I want to add image. So this is the image I want to add in order to copy the text prompt. So I click on it and then I click on good. So automatically the image appears here. Remember, I want to get the text prompt that was used to create this image. The original creator of this image might have done it using CorelDRAW, Photoshop, or anything, but I don't really care what the original designer used in doing it. my interest is just to get a text prompt that will help me to create a flyer like this. So I come and I will click this icon right here. I'll click this icon right here, and boom, it will give me the image prompt. Now this is the flyer prompt for the design. So all I need to do is to copy the flyer prompt. I want to select all and then copy. So I have copied the flyer prompt. I want to go and create my own flyer using this prompt. So I cancel this and I cancel. I click on cancel. So boom, I'm back here. So I also cancel this. I don't want to use this flyer. I've already copied the prompt, so I cancel it. So I have my empty space to type. So I'm going to paste in the prompt I copied. Now this prompt I copied is for the flyer I want to model. Now if I want to make changes, I can actually make changes from here, but I don't want to make any changes. I just want to see what it will give us. It won't give us exactly what is in the flyer that we model, but it will give us something close to that. So I can actually choose my aspect ratio here, which is 1:1. So when I'm done, I click on this icon here. Yeah, this is the icon I clicked. Sorry, this icon down here. This icon down here, that's the icon I clicked. Okay, so my flyer is ready. So can you see? Can you see how beautiful this is? Can you see how beautiful this is? Can you see how beautiful this is? So this is how you can create your... So let me go to my gallery and check it. Let's see how beautiful it is. So this is it from my gallery. This is how beautiful it is. So you can actually create your text. You can actually create your flyer using your text. Just get the prompt and the rest is history. That'll be all. Join us for our next update. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon for more.